Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today I'm going to be fishing at a site I briefly had a video on before, where the famous multiple penny dance was done, and there's a high chance that that could be happening again today, given what we had last time. So today I'm going to be joined with Gavin.
Morning out.
And there will be Glenn and Tracy from Knots Outsiders joining us in a bit as well. Now, looking at the water level, it has increased quite a bit. We've got a lot more deeper water. It is still very rocky, and yeah, it's going to be a challenge, but we love a challenge. We like to get things out of the water. Gavin has seen previously a trolley that is going to be coming out of the water today.
Yep.
He has his winch ready. We'll just show you how kitted up he is. There you are, there's the famous winch. That did help to pull a cannon out of the waters with Dave and Ray from Adventures of Sonic. And it's going to get a trolley out today as well. And Gavin's already got a second purpose for that trolley. So back with you shortly. So just had quite a few casts, and I've got this old hammer out just there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies, this bit of plate metal, and a door bolt. That's exactly it. 2 file blades and 2 pieces of bar. That's it. So we're going to move location. So we've moved location, and Gavin's just got this spike that's that rotten.
It's only half the bar it used to be.
It's half a bar, so it's at bar. First cast, just got this pipe bung with some rocks and that attached to it, so there's definitely stuff here as well. Right, so I'm casting out down here. I'm next to a main road, and we'll just see what we get, folks. So don't forget, Trash for Cash event coming up in USA. Trash for Cash event coming up in USA next year, next May 24th, 25th, and that is an event for autism charities. Please, if you can, donate and support. I will be putting the links on this video as well. And if anybody does want to get a magnet, I am affiliated to Kratos Magnetics at kratosmagnetics.com, where you can actually get 12% off all products if you put in the words Lee Cuts. I'll put that on the bottom of the screen also. And they are very, very good magnets, and I would highly recommend Artemis, Titan, Helios, or the Poseidon magnet, which is a very, very powerful magnet. So Gavin's just had to find
Possibly a cannonball. Clean up shortly.
and I've just had this cover, which is a road drain cover.
Double-sided sign, Willis's Capstan cigarettes. Where we found one.
So I just had this fence piece out, all this cable here, this old rope, this bar here with this strap around it, bit of a curtain, bit of a trolley, this bar, pipes, this piece, both parts of this drain cover and mount just there, very heavy. A steel cane, you know, that belonged to Charlie Chaplin, that did.
Very possibly.
Couple of knife blanks there. This nice blacksmith's hammer has come out by Gavin, and Gavin's also got the remains of this sign, capstan, so that would have been a smoking product, and this tin tray. And we're currently fishing. We just had those bits of general scraps as well, and we're fishing down there. So Glenn from Knots Outsiders is just pulled in.
It looks like a bit of bar that's cut off when you strengthen concrete or something.
A bar cut off.
Piece of cut off bar, yeah.
And he's using Kratos Artemis magnet.
I did actually get out the...
So we've had this out as well, and it's a hub of some sort just there. General bits of waste metal, waste iron bars. There's this piece here. So yeah, there's definitely stuff here. So, Gavin's down there bagging the last of the bits up. We had this tow strap. We've had this bit of a trolley out. Another bit of a trolley there. Some big bars there. The rest is all bagged up. Gavin's serving tray. There you go, he's just bagging it all up.
We've got to pack up and go because things have come to a head. So we've had enough.
What is holding? So Gavin has got another cannonball. It's got a seam around here, look. Don't drop her. Nice seam there. 1640s. And then in this hand, he's got a starting handle.
This is a starting handle or a winding crank.
Or I'd say a winding crank from a trailer.
Well, it's there to be cleaned up, and if it's no good, it gets recycled.
So Tracy from Knots Outsiders has made us this beautiful badge, and I've got one as well that I'm currently wearing. So Gavin's going to wear it just there on his lucky shirt. Thank you very much, folks. Scrapman's being called. Scrap's going to disappear shortly. And yeah, it's starting to rain here in Sheffield. So this is Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing.
This is Gavin from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing.
And we've got Glenn from Knots Outsiders signing out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye for now.